Lesson 3: Finding Meaning in Visual Media. After going through this module, you are expected to develop the most essential learning competency, which is to interpret the meaning suggested in visual media through a focus on visual elements. For example, line, symbols, color, gaze, framing, and social distance. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to describe different forms and conventions of film and moving pictures, and analyze the characters used in print, non-print, and digital materials. And now, let's proceed to what's in. Direction. Examine the picture and answer the questions that follow. Okay, let's start. Question number 1. What is the caption of the visual? Question number 2. What is the first thing that captures your interest? Question number 3. What is the gender of the person in the picture? Question number 4. What do you think is the work of the person? And the last question, question number 5. What message does the picture want to convey? And now, let's check your answer. For number 1, the answer is virus cure. For number 2, the answer is vaccine in the test tube. For number 3, the answer is male or masculine. For number 4, the answer is medical researcher. And lastly, for number 5, the answer is the man creates a vaccine for a virus cure. Do we have the same observation? And now, let's proceed to our new task. What's new? You know how to read a book, but do you know how to read an image or picture? Say something about the picture. Do you understand its meaning? Direction. Answer the questions based on your own interpretation. Write your answers on a separate sheet of paper. Question number 1. Who are the subjects of the image? Question number 2. Where do you think is the setting? Question number 3. Where does each person gaze? Question number 4. What captures your attention first? Question number 5. What is the central message of the image? And now, let's check your answer. For number 1, the answer is 2 females. Number 2, living in an urban area. Number 3, focus on the markings. Number 4, round-shaped markings. Number 5, well-disciplined. Did you get the same answer? Good job! What is visual? It is something you look at, such as picture, chart, or piece of film that is used to illustrate something more appealing or easier to understand. What is visual media? Visual media are sources of information in the form of visual representation. This can be abstractions, analogs, rough illustrations, or digital reproductions of the objects. There should be an interpretation of data, and sources may be hosted on the internet, printed in publications, displayed through broadcast media, or otherwise disseminated. And now, let's proceed to our next activity. What is it? Visual media. It is what human eye can see. It plays a big role in advertising, art, communication, education, business, and engineering. Visual media is often used as a learning aid. Media can be used in almost any discipline to enhance learning, both in class and also for out-of-class assignments. Short film and television clips, written articles, and blog postings can be viewed to reinforce concepts and spark discussion. There are types of visual media. Number 1, images. Number 2, videos. Number 3, infographics. Images. The most common types of visual media being used by online marketers today. Contents with compelling images can generate 94% more views on an average than content without images. Videos are very engaging content. Internet users prefer to watch videos because they want to see what a product can do for them in a real life. 78% of internet users watch videos every week. 55% people watch videos every day. Major platforms like YouTube have helped videos become a huge success, and not to forget that almost all social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, etc., allow videos. Infographics are visually attractive and present research facts in ways that are very simple to understand, contain valuable information, and narrate stories in a beautiful and straightforward manner, are 30 times more likely to be read than pure text content. Purpose of visual media. People use visual aids to express their opinions and desires. Human beings have the natural tendency to pay attention to visual like graphics and illustration. However, it was not until the last few decades that the technological revolution reshaped the visual media landscape. Online sources. An online source is material you find online. It can be an online newspaper, magazine, or television website such as NBC or CNN. Peer-reviewed journals, web pages, forums, and blogs are also online sources. Some other names for online sources are electronic sources, web sources, and internet sources. And now, we will proceed to what's more. Awareness check. Direction. Study the image below on COVID-19 update in the Philippines. Interpret the data and answer the questions carefully. Write your answer on a separate sheet of paper. Question number 1. What gender has the most number of deaths? Number 2. What age range has the highest death rate? Number 3. What age range has the least death rate? Number 4. What is the source of this update? Number 5. What is the source of the basic data update? And now, let's check your answer. For number 1, the answer is male. Number 2, 60 to 69. For number 3, 30 to 39. Number 4, ABS-CBN Investigative and Research Group. For number 5, Department of Health. Did you get the same answers? Good job! And now, let's proceed to what I have learned. Let's remember this. V blank M blank is very important because you can convey your message in an engaging way. It allows you to see and hear the information, making it easier to retain. What do you think is the word? The correct answer is visual media. What are the 3 types of visual media? Number 1, I blank blank G blank S. It is the most common type of visual media being used by online marketers today. The correct answer is images. Number 2, blank I blank blank O blank. These are very engaging content. What do you think is the word? The correct answer is videos. Number 3, IN blank blank G blank A blank blank IC blank. Visually attractive and present research facts in ways that are very simple to understand. And the correct answer is infographics. And now, let's proceed to what I can do. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Direction. Identify the type of visual media used in the following descriptions. Write I for images, V for videos, and IN for infographics. Write the answer on a separate sheet of paper. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. And number 5. And now, let's check your answer. For number 1, the answer is I for images. For number 2, the answer is IN for infographics. For number 3, the answer is I for images. For the number 4, the answer is V for videos. And lastly, the number 5 answer is IN for infographics. Did you get the answers correctly? Good job! And now, let's proceed to your assessment. Paint me a picture. Direction. What does the picture convey? Interpret the meaning in the visual media based on your own understanding. Are you ready? Then let's begin. Number 1. The subdued colors suggest that the biker reached the peak of his destination. Here are the choices. A. Sunrise. B. Sunset. Number 2. This infographic is an update on A. The cause of COVID-19. B. The spread of COVID-19. Number 3. The image shows that the player is an A. Amateur. B. Expert. Number 4. A gentle reminder to the public is about A. Proper hand washing. B. Social distancing. Number 5. This event is the video presentation of A. Birthday. B. Wedding. And now, let's check your answer. For number 1, the answer is B. Sunset. For number 2, the answer is B. The spread of COVID-19. For number 3, the answer is B. Expert. For the number 4, the answer is B. Social distancing. And for the number 5, the answer is B. Wedding. Did you get all the answers correctly? Good job! And now for the last task, let's proceed to our additional activities. Let's be artistic. Direction. Say something about the Spolarium painting by looking at the text only. Write a 4-paragraph composition by describing the painting and be guided with the following questions. Number 1. What have you noticed in the picture? Number 2. What are the positions of characters in the picture? Number 3. What feelings or emotion does the picture convey? Number 4. How do different positions of characters affect the mood in the picture? Number 5. What mood does the painting depict? Did you have all the answers? Good job! Congratulations for the job well done. This ends our lesson today. See you again and God bless us all.